Hello guys. so I'm actually here to clear the minds that like a lot of people are confused. I'm getting a lot of messages about this, if they should use a facial toner, if it will not irritate their skin. What do I think? Well, it all depends. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Chika Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician, and this channel I teach skincare. Okay, so if you like what you're watching and you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and while you're subscribing, you hit the bell button. The bell button is a notification bell. Notification bell lets you know when I upload new videos like this. And for my returning viewers, I clap for your support. Thank you so much. So facial toners. Let's talk about facial toners. A lot of people are confused. I'm getting a lot of messages about this, if they should use a facial toner, if it will not irritate their skin. What do I think? Well, it all depends. Okay. But facial toners are good if you get the right one for your skin type or the skin issue that you have, because even so that there are some chemical exfoliants that are in form of facial toners. Okay. And I use facial toner, and the reason is because I find that when I finish cleansing my skin, I usually like to use facial toner, especially in the evening time, just to make sure that all the dirt and impurities has been cleaned, because that facial toner will help you to do that, to make sure your skin is properly and thoroughly cleaned. Okay, but if you have sensitive skin, that would be like an exception, that you should be careful with sensitive skin. I'll probably say it's better you use like a face mist. Yeah, it will be much more gentle on your skin than facial toner, because with sensitive skin you have to be careful. Also with dry skin, okay, dry skin, facial toners will probably not be the best for you, especially the ones that has alcohol or fragrance. Yeah, so if you're dry skin and you're buying any facial toner, make sure you're buying the one that is hydrating, or you just use a face mist, because I noticed that a face mist, I love it because it kind of keeps the skin hydrated, especially if you're applying serum and your skin is moist, and you put serum and moisturizer, it will help you to stay longer. Okay, so facial toner is good, but it's not for everybody. It's not for everybody. If you use it and you find out that, okay, this is not for me, this is irritating my skin, so the best thing will be for you to stop using it and use what suits your skin. Because what I preach and when it comes to skincare is use what works for you. Use what works for you. That is the best way to describe it. Use what works for you. But if you know that is good for your skin, don't totally ignore it, because it also helps in cleansing your skin, and it also helps in balancing the skin pH. Okay, and some facial toners come as chemical exfoliants. So yeah, like the likes of glycolic acid, salicylic acid has facial toners. Actually, I have one upstairs. Yeah, but maybe I'll just show you the picture later. But anyway, yeah, so it all depends. It all depends. Okay, so I hope I have answered all your questions, and keep it coming, keep it coming. Okay, look after yourselves, and click the like button and like the video. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and share the video if you think it will be helpful to any of your friends or family. Okay, and see you in my next video. Bye.